Hey guys, welcome back to my tech. In today's video I have got something truly amazing for you, a powerful AI platform where you can generate stunning AI images, videos and even create realistic lip scan animations. That's right, whether you are a content creator, marketer or just about AI, this tool offers something mind-blowing features that you definitely do not want to miss. From AI generated visual to advanced editing options, it's all here in one place. So let's get this video started. So first of all, open Google and simply search for SellerPic. You will see their official website right on the top. Go ahead and open it. I have also added the link in the video description box so you can directly access it from here. SellerPic.ai is an all-in-one AI platform that lets you generate high-quality images, lip scan videos and a lot more using cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Whether you are into e-commerce, content creation or digital marketing, this tool can help you create stunning visual in just a few clicks. Now once you are on the website, simply sign up or log into your account. After login, you will see a clean and unique interface. The dashboard is user friendly and packed with a wide range of features. You will find tools like AI image generator, AI product creator, AI editor and any more impressive option. To begin, I am going to try out the visual try on accessories feature. First just click on it to open. Once you are in, upload your product image, for example a cap. Next upload the photo of your model. You can either select your model category like male or female or skip that step if you are perfect or skip that step if you are prefer. After that click the create button. Now you need to select the part of model body where the product should appear. Since I uploaded a cap, obviously it should be uploaded on the head. I will select it the head. After selecting, click on confirm, adjust the cap size if it needed and then hit the generate button. You can see now how beautiful the cap has been placed on the model head. It looks so realistic that you cannot even tell AI was used. It's super easy to use and perfect for creating high quality promotional images of your brand's clothing, accessories or other products. Alright guys, moving on the next powerful features, virtual try on apparel. This tool lets you digital showcase clothing on realistic AI model in just a few clicks. Simply open the feature. You will get the option to either upload your own model and clothing images or choose from the built-in options. You can select individual items like a shirt or even add a complete outfit by choosing both the top and bottom wear. Once you are selected the clothing, scroll down to the recommended models selection and pick any model that fits your style or brand vibe. After that, just click on the generate button. Within a few seconds, the platform will create a stunning visual showing how the outfit looks on the selected model, and honestly, the results are super impressive. It looks so realistic like a professionally shot product photo. This is an amazing tool for fashion brands, online stores or anyone looking to promote their clothing without the hassle of real photo shoots. Alright friends, the next powerful feature we have is the lip scan video generator. To access it, simply click on the feature and open it. Once you are in, start by uploading a model image. I will be using one of their example image for this demo. Now here's the exciting part. You will get the access to a wide variety of AI voices within the platform. I will even play a few for you so you can hear the quality.
If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door.
A wise man will make more opportunities than he finds.
The ballot is stronger than the bullet.
The world is round, and the place, which may seem like the end, may also be the beginning.
You can choose any voice that fits your style or content. After selecting the voice, you just enter your text prompt, the script you want the model to speak. Once your prompt is added, simply click the generate button. It might take a little time depending on the length of your prompt and your internet speed, so just give it a moment. And there is it. The platform has successfully generated a fully lip scan video. Let me play it for you.
Shoot like a pro and capture every moment in stunning 4K clarity. With a waterproof design and ultra-smooth stabilization, this camera is built for every adventure, rain or shine, whether you're diving.
So you can see how realistic it looks. With SellerPic creating talking AI avatar is increasingly simple and highly effective. It's perfect for making promotional videos, tutorials or social media content without needing a real actor or camera setup. Alright guys, now let's check out another awesome features product in hand. This tool lets you create stunning ad style images where your product appears naturally in a model hand, perfect for promotional use. To get started, simply choose a model based on style, background and overall vibe that matches your brand. Once selected, upload your product image to the platform. Now just adjust the product size and position slightly to make sure it fits perfectly in the model. Once you're happy with the placement, click on the generate button and within a few seconds your image will be ready. And just look at that, the final result looks super professional and realistic. You can barely tell it was created by AI. The product blends so naturally, it's honestly impressive. SellerPic AI truly makes highly quality content creation easy and accessible with just a few clicks. You can generate professional looking ads right from the comfort of your home. No photo shoot, no models, no stress, AI handles it all for you. So that was a full walkthrough of SellerPic.ai, a powerful AI platform packed with tools that helps you create images, videos and digital content like a pro. Whether you are a business owner, marketer or content creator, this platform can seriously upgrade your workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure give it a thumbs up, subscribe to MyTech for more awesome tech reviews and don't forget to check out the link to SellerPic AI in the video description below. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.